Atmospheric turbulence is the greatest challenge for high-resolution imaging and laser communication. But how do you test a system for a 90-kilometer path inside a laboratory? Introducing TuBAS, MZA's compact, high-fidelity solution for emulating atmospheric turbulence and laser beacons within a compact laboratory footprint. TuBAS addresses a critical gap in AO testing by combining three multi-altitude beacons, collimated, Rayleigh, and sodium, into a single high-fidelity optical path. A critical breakthrough in TuBAS is the emulation of perspective elongation. Using ultra-fast, laser-inscribed scattering targets fabricated at the Rochester Institute of Technology, we can recreate the exact geometric aberrations seen by subapertures on a large aperture telescope. By shrinking the 10 kilometers mesospheric scattering volume into just 200 millimeters, we maintain the exact Fresnel number required for high-fidelity hardware-in-the-loop simulation. Our integrated C++ API provides seamless control through MATLAB or Python. Users can instantly command specific R0 and Greenwood frequency values to emulate a wide range of laser propagation geometries. TuBAS is a versatile powerhouse for AO development. In the lab, it provides a repeatable, calibrated environment for R&D, allowing engineers to stress test algorithms and hardware before they ever reach the field. On Sky, TuBAS serves as a vital surrogate. By using a flip mirror to bypass the telescope, observatories can perform critical calibrations, maintenance, and engineering tests during the day or in inclement weather, saving precious dark time for science. The development of TuBAS provides a powerful new tool to bridge the gap between computer simulations and on-sky hardware performance. TuBAS represents a leap forward in AO test capabilities. Bring the atmosphere into your lab and accelerate your AO development. Contact MZA to learn more about our turbulence emulation technologies.